Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guess what we're making today? This is a rich, moist, so cute chocolate Tigré cake, and I'm going to show you the whole recipe. Are you ready? Here we go. So first off, we are going to start with the cake batter. So you'll need to melt some butter in a saucepan or a pot on a rather medium heat to avoid it from burning. And the idea here is to give it a little stir from time to time to have an evenly melted butter and again to avoid any burning. What we're looking for here is a golden butter that almost smells like almonds or hazelnuts. And this is like a caramelized version of the butter. So as you can see, here the butter has started to caramelize. We can give it a little stir again so it caramelizes evenly. And once that's done, we can pour it in like a container or a glass to allow it to cool and come back to room temperature before we can actually use it and incorporate it to our batter. Next up, the dry ingredients, starting with the icing sugar, the salt, the almond powder, and of course the flour. So you can either sieve these ingredients together or simply mix them with a spatula. The next ingredient is egg whites, so this is going to help us combine everything together. You can mix gently with the spatula to make sure everything is combined and well incorporated. Once that's done, you can add in the caramelized butter we've made earlier and again mix gently. Next up, chocolate chips. Again, mixing everything together and folding them into the batter until we have a smooth result. This is totally optional, but you can use a piping bag to transfer the batter to the molds. I like this better because it is cleaner than just using a spoon, but you can totally do that as well. There's no need for a piping tip. You can just cut a little bit off the end of the bag and then proceed with the piping. So pipe or pour the mixture in each cavity of the mold. Like I said, you can also use a spoon to do this. And be careful because you need to only fill 3/4 of each cavity, because when the cake will go to bake, it will actually rise. And so this helps keep an even shape. So preheat the oven at 180 degrees and bake the cakes for 15 minutes. Once they're done, you can unmold the cakes on a table or on your workbench. And as you can see, this is the result of our hard work with these cute little Tigré cakes. For an optimal result, you can place the cakes on a rack and let them cool properly while we prepare the chocolate ganache. So for the ganache, you can start by melting some dark chocolate, and in the meantime you can heat up the heavy cream. The cream needs to be added little by little to the chocolate, so in 3 times as you can see. Every time you add the heavy cream, you need to give a little stir so the ganache becomes homogeneous. You can tell that the ganache is ready when it's all smooth and even. So in order to top the cakes with some ganache, we need to transfer it to a piping bag. So here again, there is no need to have any piping tips or nozzles. You can just cut off a little bit of the bag and start piping. Pipe a little ganache on top of each cake. Give it a little shake so the top is even and smooth. You then have to do the same thing for all the remaining cakes until you're done. there you have it, guys. Here's the full recipe for the cutest tigrés. Let me know what you think about this recipe and about the cakes themselves. And as always, bon appetit!